Image vehicle. Call my cell, please.
Alright, any units on special events respond that your person would have gone at Evans Oval?
Charlie, just put the job out with a description.
They said somebody went out, sir. The EOC.
ERT, 21st in the Parkway. We need a medic at the fountain. We have a female in her head. She is conscious.
That's correct. They were notified. That's in front of under the Honduras sign, right?
A back forward. Put him back. Zero transmission route 1 first, top of the tree. Now there's 2 at the very top of the tree. Do you have anybody over there that try to get these guys down?
Go for the stage. Find a big tree there. See if we can get these 2 guys down.
I tried Spring Garden. Now I'm trying Fairmount, and I'm basically stopped.
All right, just get there when you can. Receive.
We're here on PLC to see in reference to NS-18's assignment. The medics on location from rescue, they said just let them know to call in for a backboard. And that's what he received? And it's 28. Yeah, just let you know they have a call in for the backboard for you. Well, thanks, Mia.
A traffic lieutenant have him meet me in the rear of the art museum. Get that person, raise Isaac 7, and have him meet me along with Highway 1.
Yeah, Isaac 9 is several traffic supervisors back there. We're ready for the buffer, sir.
Excellent, thank you. Highway 60, 160.
Highway 360?
Highway 160, yeah, George 30 on the air.
George 30, rider special. George 30.
Parkway.
George 30.
Highway 17 in Parkway.
George 30, repeat that.
Can you give me a jump at 30th, 17th in the Parkway?
George 30, try raising George 31. She's at 18th in the Parkway. She's closer than I am. One Andy. George 30, I'll call her on her cell phone. Smart 1 Andy.
Andy.
Sir, we were assigned to meet CO15 at 17 JFK. We just pulled up at 16 in JFK. I don't see anything down the end of the street. Does he still need us there at 17th and JFK, or is it maybe north or south of JFK?
CO15?
CO15 trying to reach me?
That's correct. Mark 1 Andy's on the air at 6 Street JFK. Still need him?
Every time now, just watching the rest of the show.
Mark 1 received. Can you let Sam 7X know? We're just going to go ahead and stage here. It's very difficult to get around. We're just going to be at the on JFK between 15 and 16 if you need us.
Same. Thank you.
Charlie 124. I believe a medic unit just passed us on 19th Street. Is that one making it over here to 800 block of Uber?
EOC?
Charlie 11.
EOC? Charlie 11, go ahead.
Yeah, ring Isaac 30.
Isaac 30.
US2.
Yes, man, I know they're busy. I got flagged down by somebody set up the street, 2400 block of Fairmount on the south side in the convenience store, or right out in front of the convenience store. Somebody else fell on his head. He's in and out of consciousness.
Are you keeping EOC? I received 2400 Fairmount and Melco in the head. Okay.
The crowds are leaving. Spring Garden Street Bridge is pretty packed, but moving slow. It looks like there's a larger congestion around 30th Street Station on Arch and Market Street. And there's a little crowd at 22nd and Spring Garden at the gas station. I'm not sure what's going on there. Receive.
Isaac 30.
Isaac 30. Isaac 30 first, go. Proceed.
5-2.
Charlie 11, have Isaac 30 moved the bikes in a position to assist this Parkway departure here.
Isaac 30.
Isaac 30, I got it. We're in position, Chief.
Jet 5-2.
Jet 5-2, you're up, go.
Yes, sir. You have any units around 16th and Chestnut? Got a large group of people here jumping on top of our vehicle. There were traffic are blocking the intersection.
Any units available? 16th and Chestnut, how about John 52? Car control.
Repeat. They're not coming out of the building yet.
Okay, thank you. Let me know when they're leaving.
Tommy, down 12.
Yeah.
Down 12, go ahead. There's two coach buses down there. They're not the double deckers, the sealed ones. There's two in that package. They want those two up there because they want to put the players on it and in a sealed vehicle. Can we get them out of that package down there?
Can you call Tom 45 or Tom 37? I'm doing an escort, and I should be back within 5 minutes.
Copy that. Tommy, how about 37, 39? You guys down there?
Yeah, sorry, though. I'll take care of that.
All right, I'm coming down to help you.
Tom 37, let me go help him out.
Jet 2, yeah, we're okay. We're just trying to get them moving. They're jumping on people's cars.
You got a team member with you, sir.
Charlie 2 to Charlie 12.
That's Charlie 12.
Charlie 2 to Isaac 1.
Isaac 1. Isaac 1. Special Defense Isaac 1.
Isaac 1.
Charlie 2 to Isaac 1. I'm going to have a contingent of officers en route up to you for redeployment. Yeah. Where do you want them?
Isaac 1, we were all right in our area. The South Penn Square needed some additional help. So
you can move them down towards at Chestnut Street and have them out there, and we'll redeploy them from there.
All right, I'll have the bus take Broad to Chestnut.
Z392.
You coming over?
Zone 2, Z392.
392, go ahead.
Can you drop me a set of numbers for an injured officer? Let the numbers read 2600 Norfolk.
Central Broad, give me that badge.
Badge 373.
72, okay. What's your call sign again? Zone 3, 392?
Correct, Zone 392.
Okay, Isaac 6.
Can you reach Charlie 12?
Charlie 12. Charlie 12.
Anyone?
1X.
See a medic in T George 1 on the parkway. I'll get what the injuries are in a second.
EOC. EOC, G1. Over at the parkway. Requesting a medic with unknown injury.
The T1 is a fall. Injuries with a fall.
EOC. Zone 392.
392.
Alright, Zone 3, 392. Your numbers are dropped. You have to call the front desk with some injuries on that also, please.
Received.
Isaac 6.
Be advised, I'm en route to Broad and Chestnut with 60 police officers.
Okay.
EOC, you got information on that injury officer.
It was 2600 North Broad, past 373.
Alright, Central Special Events.
Central, go ahead.
Got any units available for 1-5 in Chestnut? Personal weapon, large fight.
CEO Center City. I do have my RRT starting in there.
Isaac 6.
Also have Center City Andy starting in there shortly. Have flight teams.
Isaac 6.
Isaac 6.
That contingent you got going to Broad and Chestnut. Be advised, Central's coming out with a knife job at 15th and Chestnut. Don't use caution. 15th and Chestnut.
Isaac 6 received, thanks.
Charlie 9, you have Nathan 100 X-ray. Meet me in the rear of the Art Museum. 100 X-ray.
Nathan 100 X-ray, Nathan 100 X-ray.
Nathan 100 be Barney, he got the message.
Okay. Isaac 6 in reference to that.
I should have been the officer with the information called the EOC at 6:11:25.
And I understand by reference to this person, what happened 15th and Chestnut, Isaac 6. It's at Liberty Place, and it's not giving no flash, and it's not verified.
Isaac 6 received, thanks.
No problem, sir.
Nathan 100 X-ray. Let Charlie 9 know I received.
Okay. So I need
Andy.
you're coming over?
Before Nathan Andy.
Go see.
Alright, so remember that gun job earlier, 2300 East Deacons Oval. I didn't get good cell phone signal to call the EOC. However, we surveyed the area and negative results for his mail.
EOC. Special Events EOC.
I'll give you an invest time, sir, on it.
You got it.
RT6 Andy.
RT6 Andy.
1X, you can cancel the medic for G1.
EOC. Special Events EOC.
Proceed.
A couple of things. Disregard the medic for George 1. Number 2, over is equal from 24 Nathan, and it's going to be RTF and best firm only.
South 115, can I get a medic unit on the Parkway location D3. Woman hurt her back.
That's Charlie 3, sir. To EOC. Charlie 3 section, Charlie 3 on the Parkway. Female with injured back. Start rescuing, please.
Which side of the Parkway?
Check 'em. The unit is on the Parkway.
24. Is gonna rescue at Poplar and Hubert. A woman down on the highway.
Oh, you want Poplar or Hubert?
Jason Chestnut.
1-5 at Chestnut?
Poplar at Hubert.
On Poplar, okay, give me a second. 15th at Chestnut, go.
Quad here, ASAP. I got a kid who's stabbed here. I can't get my vehicle out of the crowd.
What?
Someone out of stabbed here. I can't get my vehicle out of the crowd here. I either need some help here or I need a rescue squad.
Let me get some units started down. 15th at Chestnut, ASAP. Special events to EOC.
Like Team Andy, we're going down there. Center City, like Andy, we're going there.
15th at Chestnut, I got a staff thing.
Andy, we're walking up on them.
Okay. Special events to EOC. All units stand by. All units stand by. EOC, the special victim EOC.
Special event, you said 1500 Chestnut, you have a male, would have been standing?
That's correct. 15th at Chestnut, paramedic in for a stab victim.
Isaac 25. I have a fire rescue at 15th and Market here. They're at Randstead, 15th and Randstead. They're a half a block away. Can we get the mail up to fire rescue?
Understand.
Any information on the status?
A standby, EOC. What's the stabbing victim? Can I get him up to Randstead?
Car 4, raise the EOC.
EOC?
Chris, we need somebody from Fred Stein Productions at the entrance to the Art Museum to help us sort people. Center City, do we have a scene at 15 Chestnut? Is that where it happened?
15 for Chestnut detail.
Charlie 2 to car 4.
Alright, give me a second, guys. 15 for Chestnut detail.
15 Chestnut detail. Yeah, we didn't have it here. They'll walk down here. We don't.
Okay, can you get him up to Randstead, half a block up? There's a medic waiting there.
I just showed up.
You got it. See, Charlie 2, you look for car 4?
I'm 707, 22nd Street and Winter. Is it possible to have the 2 trash trucks move? We have this crowd dispersing out and they're unable to go anywhere and backing up.
Give me a second. Charlie 2, car 4?
Charlie 2, can you reach car 4 and let them know we're working on that now?
Car 4, receive that. Thank you.
Alright, special events at EOC Center. Give me a second, guys. One at a time here. Special events at EOC.
Proceed.
Alright, can you to contact sanitation 22nd and Winter, have them move those 2 trucks so they can start dispersing this crowd?
Region. Isaac 25, CO 15. Can you meet me over at 15th and Market, please?
CO 26.
Proceed, man.
Yes, sir. We have another lost child. They're en route to the 9th District, 21st and Hamilton. Just be advised, in case the call comes in, 7-year-old, black complected, black male. His name is Mason. He's wearing a blue coat, gray sweatpants, and gold shoes.
09 Barter, repeat that flash. What's that for?
Missing 7-year-old child. Nathan is his name. He's blue coat. 7-year-old, I collect the black male.
09 Barter, you have him?
CO26 has him en route to 22nd and Hamilton at the 9th.
I have his mother here and a couple siblings here. Just clarify that name for me, please.
CO26.
CO26, I've been trying to get over. Those officers were taking that little boy to the 9th District, 21st and Hamilton, so direct mom to go there.
Okay, what's his whole name?
I received that, man. I just want to verify the name, make sure we got the right tender age.
Yes, sir. His name is Mason. Mason, 7-year-old.
Robert 15 X-ray. 116. Did you get tested? I need a medic at Parkway location D3.
Which side of the Parkway? I was trying to raise you. Which side of the Parkway? You're up, sir.
15 X-ray, at the command post. Could you send a medic unit over here? We got a guy that can't breathe.
EOC?
373 with
EOC at the command post. Got him unable to breathe. Send rescue, please. Rapid response 3, Andy.
Medic 34 is transporting that staff stick from the hospital. You can have a car start over there.
Okay.
Start 11.
You're coming over?
Can you just repeat, where are they taking that tender age? For the mother.
9th District, 21st and Hamilton. 2-1 Hamilton.
AST1.
Got it. What's the other unit coming over?
AST1.
AST1.
Start 11.
1900 Vine Street, closer to 20th in front of the library. They're jumping on all the parked cars here, and the roof's about to cave in on one of the vans. If you can get somebody over it.
Good seeing us up. 911.
Yeah, can we get medics at L2? We got a male at Bill to go to. He has muscular dystrophy. He's Little Rocky.
EOC?
Car 4. First of all, who's en route to 1900 the Parkway? Car 4 raised his own commander.
Zone Commander, 19th Parkway.
Over 1. Males jumping on cars. Vandalizing cars. Start people over there.
Let me get some units over there. That was 19th and Vine, the library, close to the 20th.
It's 1900 Vine, not the Parkway. Get some people over to 1900 Vine. Raise the bike inspector. Start some bikes in there.
Let me get some bike units over 19th and Vine, close to the 20th.
Center City Bike Team Charlie is available. I have my bike teams. They get started in there, please.
Hi, security. We've got a bike team en route.
I got a bike team en route. 19th and Vine, close to the 20th.
All right, IG-40, TAC Air. Take a ride over there. Let me know what you see.
TAC Air?
On the way, sir.
Center City, my rapid response team for that area are starting as well.
Got rapid response going over.
AST1. About 10 people on top of one van.
T-Time Specialist 1, can you have a unit started in 2-2 and back up to NS27?
What's that location?
2-2 in winter.
All right, 2-2 in winter. Get any units back up NS27?
He said over near Vine Street, he needs some bike cops if you have it.
Rapid response actually radios. We have rapid response 6 at 22 in Spring Garden. If you can get there as fast as you can to help out, raise them. Response 6, rapid response 6.
RIT 680, I received that, sir. I'm actually trying to clear out this golf station right at 22nd and Spring Garden. We got about like 1,000 to 2,000 people in the parking lot here.
Sam 707, 2-2 and winner. You have the backup of a group. They're climbing and taking down the gates and climbing over the bridge. Right team over 2-2 and winner. Also see if that rapid response team can move from the south into the north.
I'm going to bike
Response team along Market Street.
I'm going to use
City Bike Charlie.
City Bike Charlie.
All right, 2-2 and winner.
2-2 and winner. That's what we need them at.
I got a team going to 2-2 and winner right now.
Okay. I got straight air. Got 7 units going over to 2-2 and winner.
Highway 1617. We're at Broad and Walnut, sir, for about 3 hours. Anybody with jumper cables or a jump box that could help us out, please?
So what's the location with that disabled?
Broad and Walnut. We have 2 wheels mechanical. We need jumper cables or a jump box, please.
Anybody help this officer out, please? Broad and Walnut. For the jump.
I'm on my way.
All right, you got towards 30 en route to you.
Car 4, raise back air. You start them over in that area. 19th and Spring Garden, 2-2 and winner. Get an idea how serious the problem is.
Air attack?
Checker 4 received, sir. I was trying to come over. 2-0 and Vine. Yeah, bike officers on location. It was one van with a bunch of people on. They cleared that ball. And up the street on the other side of the library, there's 2 trash trucks with people on top of that as well. So far, I don't see anyone else on vehicles.
Like Team Andy, we're pulling up the 2-2 and winner. We can't get through this one crowd, but we're trying to get there.
Charlie
8.
Isaac 30, 20th and Parkway's taken care of. We got everybody down.
Okay.
Charlie 8, start some foot officers from Isaac 4's zone into 2-2 and winner. Start moving that crowd out. Assist the bike team.
Isaac 4.
Isaac 4.
From your zone, can you start in some beats over the 2-2 and winner? Start clearing that zone.
Like Team Andy, we're almost there. We're on the bridge right now trying to get to Winter Street.
Sam 707, be advised, as far as 2-2 and winner, the whole crowd is going southbound. We have 2 large trash trucks. If that bike team can get those trash trucks to move so this crowd can start getting out the way. We're also clearing it on the north side as well.
Like Andy, we're almost there.
Charlie 8 to Charlie 2.
Charlie 2. Charlie 2.
Charlie 8, can we start to have streets move some of these blocking vehicles so the crowd can exit the parkway?
Give me a second, son. I'm trying to raise.
Sir, next. Sir, 7X1.
71X.
Yeah, the sheriff's department is opening Ford and Pine up. Are they authorized to do that?
DOC proceed. Yes, NS12, has a mail down at 2216 Summers, need a medic unit. 2216 Summer? Yes, that's correct. Alright, any units available? Time 24.
Also, ma'am, I'm getting reports I need a medic at 20th and Race in the park there. There's a person having a seizure.
Alright, EOC 20th and Race also for someone in the park having a seizure.
Tell me it's by the porta potties.
In the porta potties. Okay, do we know if it's a male or female? Time 24, you know if it's a male or female? Unknown.
NS14, from a passerby, they say that it was a DK male in the porta potties. I don't know if that's the same person.
Have some resources just come down, City Hall, 50, Market Street, etc. We're holding this zone, but we got to push out.
Charlie, okay.